Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the ultimate in pool maintenance tech for 2024, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners that will keep your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. Whether you have an above-ground or an in-ground pool, these cutting-edge devices are designed to handle the dirty work so you can sit back and enjoy your pool time. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Aiper Seagull Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. Aiper has made a name for itself with efficient and user-friendly pool cleaners, and the Seagull Pro is no exception. The Seagull Pro is built for versatility and ease of use. It's designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools and can handle pool surfaces up to 861 square feet. This makes it ideal for a variety of pool sizes and shapes, from compact plunge pools to large backyard oases. Equipped with a powerful dual motor system, the Seagull Pro delivers exceptional cleaning performance. It features advanced brush technology that scrubs away dirt, algae, and debris from the pool floor, walls, and waterline. The high-capacity filter traps even the finest particles, leaving your pool crystal clear. One of the standout features of the Seagull Pro is its intelligent navigation system. Using advanced algorithms, it maps out your pool and optimizes its cleaning path to ensure complete coverage. This means it can clean your pool more efficiently, saving both time and energy. The Seagull Pro is also designed for convenience. It has a lightweight and compact design, making it easy to handle and store. The plug-and-play operation means you can simply drop it into your pool, turn it on, and let it do its job without any complicated setup. For those seeking a reliable and efficient robotic pool cleaner that offers excellent value for money, the Aiper Seagull Pro is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Dolphin Explorer E50. Dolphin is a brand known for its innovation in robotic pool cleaners, and the Explorer E50 exemplifies why they remain a top choice among pool owners. The Explorer E50 is designed for larger in-ground pools up to 50 feet in length. Its advanced features include a powerful suction system and dual scrubbing brushes that remove tough dirt and debris from all pool surfaces. Whether it's leaves, twigs, or fine particles, this cleaner handles it all with ease. One of the key highlights of the Explorer E50 is its advanced scanning technology. The Clever Clean system uses advanced algorithms to scan and map your pool, ensuring thorough cleaning and optimal coverage. This intelligent navigation minimizes missed spots and reduces cleaning time. The Explorer E50 also boasts a weekly timer feature, allowing you to set it to clean your pool automatically on a schedule that suits you. This means you can maintain a clean pool with minimal effort, perfect for busy lifestyles or those who simply prefer to automate their pool maintenance. With its easy-access filter system, maintaining the Explorer E50 is a breeze. The large-capacity filter basket can be easily removed and cleaned, reducing downtime and keeping your pool cleaner running efficiently. For those with larger pools looking for a powerful and automated cleaning solution, the Dolphin Explorer E50 is an excellent choice. At number 3, we have the Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Polaris is renowned for its high-performance pool cleaning solutions, and the VRX IQ Plus brings state-of-the-art technology to your pool maintenance routine. The VRX IQ Plus is designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools up to 60 feet in length. It features a powerful vortex vacuum technology that provides superior suction power and debris collection, handling everything from large leaves to small sand particles. One of the standout features of the VRX IQ Plus is its Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile app control. You can control and monitor the cleaner from your smartphone, allowing you to start, stop, and schedule cleaning cycles remotely. This makes it incredibly convenient, especially for those who want to manage their pool maintenance on the go. The VRX IQ Plus also includes advanced navigation and obstacle detection systems. Using the iAqualink control, it intelligently navigates your pool, avoiding obstacles and ensuring complete coverage of the pool floor, walls, and waterline. Maintenance is straightforward with the VRX IQ Plus. It has a top-access filter canister with a transparent lid, making it easy to see when it needs cleaning. The filter canister is also designed to be easy to remove and rinse, saving you time and effort. For those seeking a high-tech, convenient, and powerful pool cleaner, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus is a top contender. Taking the second spot is the Dolphin Escape Robotic Pool Cleaner. Known for its sleek design and innovative features, the Dolphin Escape is perfect for above-ground pools and offers exceptional cleaning performance. The Dolphin Escape features advanced hyperbrush scrubbing technology that effectively removes algae and bacteria from your pool's surfaces. Its smart navigation system, SmartNav 2.0, scans your pool to create an optimal cleaning path, ensuring no spot is missed. One of the unique features of the Dolphin Escape is its continuous rubber tracks, which provide better traction and prevent slipping. This ensures thorough cleaning of the pool floor and walls, even on steep inclines or slippery surfaces. The Escape is also energy efficient, using up to 90% less energy compared to traditional suction and pressure cleaners. Its 24-volt DC motors provide powerful performance while keeping energy consumption low, making it both effective and eco-friendly. Maintenance is a breeze with the Dolphin Escape. It has a large top-loading filter basket that's easy to remove and clean. The basket captures debris of all sizes, from large leaves to fine particles, keeping your pool clear and inviting. For above-ground pool owners looking for a reliable and energy-efficient cleaner, the Dolphin Escape is an excellent choice. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Known for its unbeatable performance and ease of use, the Nautilus CC Plus stands out as the best robotic pool cleaner of 2024. Designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, the Nautilus CC Plus offers powerful and efficient cleaning with its dual scrubbing brushes and powerful suction. It tackles dirt, algae, and debris on the pool floor, walls, and waterline, leaving your pool spotless and sparkling. The Nautilus CC Plus features clever clean technology, which uses advanced algorithms to scan and map your pool. This ensures precise navigation and thorough cleaning, covering every inch of your pool without wasting time or energy. One of the standout features of the Nautilus CC Plus is its weekly scheduler, which allows you to set it to clean your pool automatically at your preferred times. This means you can keep your pool clean with minimal effort, freeing you up to enjoy your pool rather than maintain it. The Nautilus CC Plus is also incredibly easy to maintain. It has a large top-loading filter basket that's simple to remove and rinse, and its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store. For those seeking the ultimate in pool cleaning performance and convenience, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is the top choice. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners of 2024. From advanced navigation systems to powerful scrubbing technologies, these robotic cleaners offer a range of features to suit different pool types and hand cleaning needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy pool cleaning.